Delta Airlines just made a move that no other American carrier has dared to touch, banning flight attendants from wearing AI-powered smart glasses while on duty. Months have passed and they still stand alone in this decision. But why would one of the largest airlines in the world draw this line in the sand when everyone else stays silent? This is not the first time Delta stirred controversy with employee restrictions. Remember when select pilots were asked to remove TikTok from their phones after the Delta Hub app leaked information about who was using what? Personal data got exposed and trust was shaken. Now history seems to be rhyming with a different kind of technology. Here's where things get wild. Air New Zealand actually considered handing AI glasses directly to their cabin crew as an experiment. The plan was to gather customer data and track frequent flyer behavior to personalize service. Thankfully that idea crashed before takeoff, but it shows how close we came to normalized surveillance in the skies. A Delta spokesperson broke down the reasoning behind the ban, and the words matter. They called it a continuous evaluation of the landscape to ensure the safety and security of our people and global operation. This was not a knee-jerk reaction. This was calculated protection of passengers and crew alike from covert recording technology. But here is the twist nobody expected. Delta left a door wide open. The company says staff cannot use smart glasses unless Delta itself issues them. That means the ban is not about hating the technology. It is about controlling who wields it and for what purpose. The future of AI glasses on flights might just wear a Delta logo. Passengers are not staying quiet about this either. One person online said, "Can we just include passengers as well and all people for that matter?" Another speculated that this ruling came from a specific incident involving one flight attendant. The internet wants more restrictions, not fewer, and the voices are getting louder. The debate cuts both ways though. One user argued that real-time AI analysis while working on equipment could be a game-changer in their field. Another pointed out they use AI caption glasses for hearing impairment and that beneficial uses exist. Not everyone sees smart glasses as the enemy, but the conversation is far from settled. MSC Cruises just entered the chat with their own ban. They updated their website to list devices capable of covertly recording or transmitting data as forbidden in public areas. Royal Caribbean passengers have been spotted wearing these glasses freely. The cruise industry is watching Delta and starting to follow the same playbook. The recording rules across airlines remain surprisingly loose even now. A WestJet passenger was wrongly told they could not record staff and got denied boarding over it. They were simply documenting a compensation claim. The Wild West of surveillance technology is exposing gaps that companies are scrambling to close before something bigger happens. So what does this mean for the future of travel? Delta drew a line. MSC Cruises followed. Passengers are demanding action. The question now is whether other airlines will wake up or wait for an incident to force their hand. Thanks for watching this breakdown. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve on stories shaping how we move through this world.